Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and time in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To this operation, slide up, scroll down and search for the settings here. Now scroll down and search for a system here. Yep. Now there is a date and time option for the automatically it's set for the date and time, but if you want to change it, click on it, choose the date which you want to have on your phone, choose the time which you want to have on your phone. You can set the time zone. If you want don't automatically, you can disable it. And you can use the format of the 24 hours or 12 hours. Yep, whatever you want. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!